Juliet, you ready for Mama to throw your ball? You ready? Okay. Well, it finally stopped raining. Okay, leave it. Throw it right here. Now wait. It's over there. Juliet, it's over there. Go get it. Hey, it's Juliet. It's right there. No, it's right there. It's right there. She didn't see me where I threw it. If this was my house, I would have flowers all in those flower beds. There's a fountain there, but it's not going. This was a 5,000 square foot house. He divided up in 5 units. She's gonna play by herself. Let me throw it. Okay. Let's go this way. I smell something like something's dead. Y'all, she's so funny. I wish I had how she'd play with the ball by herself. She just pushes it with her feet and goes after it. All right, leave it. Okay. So there's a unit up there, and then there's a unit down there, and then that door is my door, and then there's a unit right through that fence, and there's also that unit through that fence is that upstairs and downstairs, and there's also a doorway around. And then if you go around the property, if you go around the property around there, past the front door, which is mine, there's another unit. 5 units. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that I think he paid around $500,000 for this house. But anyway, they don't have full kitchens. It's just a kitchenette. So yeah. Hey, bring it here. Get it. Get it, Juliet. Go get it. What's the matter? Is that yours? I don't think so. Let me get that. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut it off. So there's dog poop right there, and I don't think that's mad at Juliet's, but I'm gonna clean it up. Alright.